Hi guys, and welcome back once again to my channel. This is Dati for You's channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you've been showing me. I appreciate it so much. So please, if you happen to be here and you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be among the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to share with you guys another recipe. Guys, I'm going to share with you a soup that is made in Ghana, where I come from, for nursing mothers. It is believed that this soup helps the nursing mothers to heal fast and also generate a lot of breast milk for their newborn babies. It's a palmnut soup, but where I come from we call it Abemuduro. So it's a combination of palmnut soup with some herbs that is added to it, and those herbs are very essential. They all have essential nutrients in there that is good for both the mother and the newborn baby. So without wasting much time, if you want to know how I make this recipe, follow me to the kitchen and let me walk you through the ingredients that we will need. Thank you so much. And by the way, my name is Tina and this is my channel. You are welcome to stay. I hope you love it here. Thank you. So I have in here my Abemuduro herbs. This was brought to me from Ghana. You can check your local African market. And I have here my concentrated palm nut paste, and I have ginger and garlic paste, Aidan fruit, chopped onions, tomatoes, pepper, and red onions. So here for my proteins, all I'm using, they are all smoke dried. In this recipe you need dried proteins. Meat, fish, everything must be dry. So I'm using turkey, fish, mackerel fish, and then another smoked fish. So I'll leave everything in the descriptive box below. I just added in my ginger and garlic paste, tomatoes, pepper, and then my onion, and I sprinkle a little bit of salt to it. I just added my Aidan fruit. So the Aidan fruit here, I roasted it a little bit on the stove top, and I'm adding in one Maggie, shrimp Maggie stock cube. Then I'll cover it and bring it to boil. So here, what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to try to hydrate my Abemuduro herb. So I add it to water and then I'll bring it to boil to get the juice out of it. Back home in Ghana, it's a fresh herb, and then they add it to the palmnut fruit and bring it to boil, and then they'll pound it and get it all together with the palmnut juice. So here I just added in water to my palmnut paste, and then I mixed it and I added it to my meat when it was steamed. So I steamed the meat for about 15 minutes, and here I'm going to just strain. At this time my herbs was all done, the mixture was all boiled, so I strained the mixture, the juice out of the herbs. So I strained it and added it to the soup. So this is what makes the difference. This is what makes this soup special, like a staple food for nursing mothers back home where I come from, the Ashanti region in Ghana. I don't know from other part of Ghana, but this is like food, one of the foods that is made in the home when somebody gives birth to a newborn baby. So here I was bringing out the vegetables out of my soup, that is the onions, pepper, and then the tomatoes, and then I'll grind them and bring them back in the soup. So guys, this soup is everything. Like, it helps the mother heal fast because of the herbs, and that herbs also help the mother to generate a lot of breast milk for the newborn baby. And it's very, very, very nice. And I found out that Aidan fruit is something that has some contraceptives in there. So Aidan fruit also serves as contraceptive. So no wonder that our forefathers, they will make this soup for the newborn mother. They will add in the Aidan fruit. So If there is no Aidan fruit, this is not Abemuduro. Abenquine is normally you can decide not to add Aidan fruit, but when it's Abemuduro, you have to add Aidan fruit. So I now understand why they add Aidan fruit to the food that they give to nursing mothers in order for you to, like, not get pregnant soon. You know what I mean? Those herbs are very aromatic, guys, and I'm telling you, if somebody is passing behind your house, they will soon realize that somebody has given birth, and then they are making up a mujo when it's so early in the morning. So this is all done, and guys, you can eat this with any swallow of your choice. So yeah, they serve it with any swallow of your choice. Rice for the breastfeeding mother, and it's usually eaten in the, like, it will be like the first main food that you eat in the day, apart from maybe drinking a tea or something. So by 12 o'clock in the afternoon latest, your food must be done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you so much. So I'm going to have my wet fufu. Yes, good old fufu. So thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. Stay safe and stay out of trouble. I love you. Bye.